Have you ever wondered who planted the seeds of the modern computer era? It's a story that begins long before the dawn of the digital age, with early computing machines that were worlds apart from the sleek devices we know today. Picture in your mind an ancient abacus, a tool of calculation that dates back centuries. Now, fast forward to the mechanical calculator, a marvel of gears and levers, crafted with precision to perform complex mathematical operations. As we progressed into the 20th century, the stage was set for a revolution. The world was poised on the brink of a new era, an era that would be defined by the power of computation. This was an age of innovation and discovery, a time when the very idea of what a computer could be was being redefined. A key figure in this transformative period was none other than Grace Hopper. Born on December 9th, 1906, Grace Brewster Murray Hopper was not your average child. Growing up in New York City, young Grace was an insatiable explorer, always poking her nose into how things worked. This curiosity was paired with a deep love for mathematics, a passion sparked by Sabrasa for your koningin ar motomodas and Harrius Sharon's own fondness for numbers. And Grace's educational journey was nothing short of remarkable. She attended Vassar College, where she earned her bachelor's degree in mathematics and physics, but she didn't stop there. Grace continued her studies at Yale University, where she earned a master's degree and later a PhD in mathematics, becoming one of the few women of her time to achieve such an accomplishment. Grace Hopper was a woman of order, a lover of systems, and a believer in the power of numbers. Her early life was a testament to the curiosity and tenacity that would later define her career. Her love for numbers, systems, and order paved the way for a career that would revolutionize the world. When World War II broke out, Grace Hopper was ready to serve. This mathematician and scholar enlisted in the U.S. Navy, bringing her sharp intellect and analytical skills to the war effort. She was commissioned as a lieutenant and assigned to the Bureau of Ordnance Computation project at the prestigious Harvard University. Here she encountered the Mark I, her first computer. The Mark I was a colossal machine, a room-sized marvel of early computer engineering. It was a far cry from the sleek devices we think of as computers today, but in its day it was cutting-edge technology. The Mark I was designed to perform calculations for the military, and Hopper was tasked with programming it. Imagine being handed the keys to a new technology, a machine unlike anything the world had ever seen. For Hopper, this was an exciting challenge. She set to work, learning the ins and outs of the machine, developing the instructions that would guide its calculations and ensure its accurate operation. Her work on the Mark I was instrumental in its success and marked her first significant contribution to the field of computer science. But this was just the beginning. Little did she know, she was standing at the precipice of a new era, an era she would help to shape with her innovative spirit and tenacious problem solving. Hopper's work with the Mark I was only the beginning of her impressive journey in computer science. Grace Hopper's genius shone brightly in the world of computer science. Her remarkable contributions were the lighthouse guiding the industry through the fog of its early days. This woman, a pioneer in her field, made waves that still ripple today. One of her most significant contributions was to the development of the UNIVAC computer. This was one of the first commercially available computers, and Hopper was instrumental in its development. She played a crucial role in creating the machine's programming system, enabling it to process complex mathematical calculations at unprecedented speeds. Her work on the UNIVAC computer was a giant leap forward for the computing industry. But Hopper didn't stop there. She went on to invent the first compiler. Now, if you're not familiar with the term, a compiler is a program that transforms human-readable code into machine-readable instructions. Before Hopper's invention, programmers had to write in machine language, which was a tedious and error-prone process. But with the compiler, Hopper took a huge burden off the shoulders of programmers, making their jobs significantly easier and more efficient. And then there's COBOL. Hopper played an instrumental role in the development of the COBOL programming language. COBOL, short for Common Business Oriented Language, was one of the first high-level programming languages. It was designed to be easy to use and to understand, making programming accessible to a wider range of people. Indeed, Hopper's work on COBOL opened up the world of programming to countless individuals. Hopper also famously coined the term debugging a computer. This came about when a moth got stuck in a computer she was working on, causing it to malfunction. Hopper and her team had to debug the computer, a phrase that is still widely used today. To sum up, Hopper's work was transformative. From the UNIVAC computer to the first compiler, and from COBOL to debugging, she revolutionized the field of computer science. Grace Hopper's contributions were groundbreaking in the realm of computer science. Grace Hopper's impact extends far beyond her lifetime. This brilliant woman's contributions to the field of computer science have been recognized again and again, her legacy adorned with numerous accolades and recognitions. Among these is one of the most prestigious awards in the United States, the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Bestowed upon her posthumously, it serves as a testament to her undying influence in the field of technology. But it doesn't stop there. Her name graces the Grace Murray Hopper Award, an annual recognition by the Association for Computing Machinery for outstanding young computer professionals, a testament to her inspiration to the future of the field. When we talk about modern computing, it's impossible not to acknowledge Hopper's influence. She gave us the first compiler, which translated human language into machine language, and laid the foundation for the development of COBOL, a programming language that has shaped countless software systems and continues to be used today. But perhaps her most profound legacy lies in her role as a trailblazer for women in technology. At a time when the field was predominantly male, Hopper broke barriers and paved the way for future generations of women to pursue careers in technology. She proved that women could not just participate, but excel and lead in this field. Grace Hopper, a remarkable woman, left an indelible mark on the world of computer science, and her legacy continues to inspire generations.